Any student interested in getting an automotive education, if they were to choose Moraine Park, that they would have an excellent education that they could take anywhere. In our program, we deal with both the knowledge level, what are the components, how do they work, but then what are the main procedures for diagnosing and repairing that. Students will be exposed to the software that's available to look up service information, but our students also write up repair orders. They basically take care of customer paperwork from the time they see the customer until the time they're done with that job.
Working in the automotive field can be very challenging, but there's lots of different layers to the industry. You can do oil changes, and it evolves into working on steering and suspension and brakes, other systems that are what the industry would think are more advanced. Now we have video, we have cameras on the car, advanced driver assist systems that have radaring.